Installation and operation of CVD tube furnace. Vacuum pump oil filling. Unscrew the cap. Add the oil provided. Observe the oil level line. This is the minimum amount of oil. This is the maximum amount of oil. Generally, just add the highest amount of oil. After adding oil, tighten the cap. Connect the vacuum pump bellows. Tighten the clamp. The other end of the connection device. Tighten the clamp. Now ready to put samples. Unscrew the screws around the flange. Remove the flange. Put the dry pot with sample into the furnace tube. Use tools to push it to the middle of the furnace tube. After the crucible is placed, now install the flange. The pressure gauge is located on the top. Install surrounding screws. Tighten the 3 screws evenly. Install the thermocouple into the furnace. Tighten the fixing screws. Connect the thermocouple power wires. Note the positive and negative poles. Tighten the screws. Connect the gas pipe. Tighten the screws. Tighten with tool. After the power cord is connected, turn on the main power switch. Turn on the power switch. Click Ignore. Click to enter the operation interface. Turn on the vacuum pump. Reduce the vacuum value to the lowest. Click Curve Settings. This initial temperature is 50. Click to set the second temperature. Here you can set the first heating time. Automatic calculation of heating rate. Set the third temperature in sequence. Set the second heating time. And so on. After the curve is set, the time setting -121 means the end. Click to return. This is the gas E-flow meter. The flow rate can be adjusted. This is the valve switch for gas E. Turn counterclockwise to open, clockwise to close. This is the gas R flow meter. This is the valve switch corresponding to gas R. These two valves have a master switch that needs to be opened, controlled by this. After the gas is introduced, click to start heating. You can see the temperature change. The temperature will change according to the curve setting. It will stop automatically when it reaches the end of the curve. If you need to stop halfway, you can also click to stop heating. After the test is completed, turn off the vacuum pump. When the temperature drops, open the air valve to release the air. Unscrew the screws. Remove the flange. Use tools to move the crucible to the furnace mode. Remove the crucible. The experiment is completed.